What's shaking, gang? What's happening? You get 2 guesses to guess where I'm at. You get 2 guesses. Actually, you don't get 2 guesses. You only get 1 guess. All right, start thinking because I'm going to get out and show you. I'm going to get out and show y'all. All right. Back in the Midwest, man, where there's great people. God, I love the people of the Midwest. Great values, hard work ethic. Look what I got back here. We got a Fleet Farm back there. Can you see that Fleet Farm back there? But better than that, guess where we're at? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can you see up there, right there? That's Come and Go, baby. That's Come and Go. Oh, yeah. We're at the old Come and Go. Sounds like there's the old truck there charging up. The old Come and Go sounds like it's like a one-night stand. They named a gas station after a one-night stand. My baby's filthy. Look how dirty she is. She's filthy. And it's freezing out here. Oh my God, it's cold out here. The wind's blowing like a mopo. We're almost back home on the last leg of the journey here. Got a few miles to go, a couple hundred miles to go, and then that's it. And we'll walk around the girl here and see what she has to say. What do you have to say, baby? Huh? She's done so good. Eloise has done so good on this trip. It's been so great. Charging up here. I'm at a 350 kilowatt charger at Electrify America. Jeez, I'm giving them free shout outs. I really don't want to give them free shout outs. Next station, next to where we're going to go to Hampton. We'll see what's in Hampton, Iowa. They have a really cool spot to get lunch, and I'm going to go there and eat some lunch. And after that, Albert Lea, and then boom, we're back up in the Twin Cities. Let's go! All right, that's it. That's all I got. Rock on. Hope you have a great day. Peace! Oh my God, bonus footage. Let's go, baby. I just went inside Come and Go, and I had to get something to eat. Actually, I had to go to the bathroom, and I forgot to go to the bathroom. I have to go back in now. Oh my God, you just see what I got. They had everything. They had beer, wine. They had all this crazy different food. They had a hot deli in there. It was clean as could be. It was incredible inside there. The selection of food was amazing. There was like local stuff they had, special dark chocolate sea salt stuff, caramels. They had wine, full wine selection, beer, pizza, deli sandwiches, breakfast stuff. It was unbelievable. You should have seen the row of fountain drinks. There had to have been 30 dispensers all the way across. It's like an oasis here. This is unbelievable. Anyways, got some pistachios. Got to get a little nuts. But wait till you see what I got. Oh my God. I love my ranch hat, but I'm gonna have to go this way. Let's get this thing on. Let's get her going, baby. Let's get her going. Yeah. Let's go. Let's come and go, baby. Woo! Oh, I'm so excited. This is so great. But I got something else too. Check this out. 75% off. It was $2. It's a headband. Come and Go headband. Oh man. It's going to be awesome for volleyball. Yeah. Keep my ears warm. Oh, yeah. Man, life is so good.